What's up, guys? So today we're going to be looking at Marts, digital 8-channel output, 32-bit, 96 kilohertz Bluetooth DSP, BTX8 DSP. These guys are in stock and there's more coming in. So if you're looking for a Bluetooth connected DSP with 8 channels output, this guy may be your jam. It does have 4 channels of input and then 8 channels of output. So you have full left and right controls, good times all around. This little plug right here comes out and you can hook up your positive, negative, and remote wire to it and plug it in and unplug it. Very handy the way that's designed. I do like the way that's designed. Of course, you can snap onto this, use your phone, and use the QR code to get the app to control it with. And this is I think, an app only unit. So yeah, there's nowhere to connect a computer to it. It is an app only unit. But let's be honest here. I have the ability to use a computer on my DSP, and I only use the app. I use the app 99% of the time anyway. So for 160 bucks, an 8-channel DSP is hot deal. And if you guys are looking for financing, that 160 is too much to handle all at once. You got Akima and Snap and all these other guys' options down here, as well as Tip Top. You can literally just pay 25 bucks if you've got some eligible devices to trade in. Excellent, excellent choice. Let's look at some of the details about this DSP, though. Here. So I'm looking through the details to point out anything important. So you got your general gain from -53 to 0. Channel gain 33 dB to 9 plus 9 dB. So you can have flexibility in setting up the gain on different channels, which is always nice. You got a 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz cutoff frequencies. It's nice. You can do the Lequence, Riley, Butterworth, Beazle. And we got all of the attenuations. These are the slopes that your frequency is going to run off at, 6 all the way to 48. That's very nice. It's got a 31 band EQ. And it says 31 bands for input equal, but that's input. So it's got a 31 band input EQ. And it's got your input gain -12 to +12. That's nice. Output equalization, you get 8 parameters per channel for output equalization. So you got 8 bands per channel of output. It's not great, but with a 31 band input EQ, that's probably about all the average person needs. Output gain from 12 dB to negative to 12 dB positive. I mean, this is a really good middle of the road DSP. It's going to give you a lot of features and a lot of control for a very small price. And also, look at this. This is the size. It's a 5 inches by 4 inches by 1.5 inches. This thing is like the size of a sandwich. So something that takes up the space of a sandwich costs 160 bucks. And if you use my coupon codes, capital C, capital A, capital E, you can get it down even cheaper than that. So for those parameters, I mean, and getting what I would consider a good middle of the road DSP. I like that. I like that connector. That's so handy, guys. I'm telling you, think about it like this. I know this is dumb, but here's my proposal. Okay. You install this thing and then you got to try to get in here wherever it's installed and try to get to the wires, right? To hook them up. This allows you to hook up the wires to that plug, install it, and then just reach down there and plug the thing in. And if you have to pull it out for any reason, you just unplug the little plug and pull it right out. You're not trying to fight with those wires in awkward places. I mean, that's just, to me, it makes wiring so much easier on something like this. So, yeah, I'm assuming these lights down here show you what channels are active. So they're probably, and again, this is an assumption, I don't know for sure, probably all going to be showing green when they're active, and then they'll probably go to red, or they won't, or they'll be dark if they're not active. I don't know this to be the case, just me taking a guess. So if you're looking for an inexpensive but still very functional and get her done DSP, head on over to Big Jeff. Use coupon code CAE to get yourself a discount and pick up something that's going to do the job and not going to break the bank. Anyway, guys, peace. Going down here.